They are supposed to have some experience in public life. No, you don't pick up people from dhabas and roadside and dump them in the council. That's not done. It's an insult to the electorate.
Uba polling do ubalong unong yalam ke UDP, but ubalong ru umentri ke sorkar jela. Uloong ba Phimla ban Shu Jied Briew, kiba Shutre ki Dhaba, ni kinong tre bella ban Shupha District Council. Ha ke jingkren shkilat pathai KHUBOR, menta ke sngi ka arpunyo tarik ujeliyo araja arpusan. Ula kentho iki MDC ke VPP, da ka baong habaladep Sha Jied hu upat ba, ban ong mapidang don hapreng ke jingsha hikai, ni dang duna experience kalong ke bamla ban priang. Ulo ongru babaro ki pat ba kin khmi linti ni ki MDC ki ba kila jiet bakin long ki batip bhai ki kin don an bat iki kam sinshar ha council kadai ka kamram jong ki MDC bala sha jiet ban puli ya ke 6 schedule bat ki an ba pher umentri sarkar ulo ong ba kam don kam ban don lupa haka kam ban tip shaphang kita baro hinre ka don kam tang ban tip iki an ki kanun.
Well, first and foremost, we have a very capable leader of opposition, Party Toss, who would be in a better position to answer your queries. But all I can say is nobody can complain that they lack experience and therefore are just testing the waters. Because once you are elected, you can no longer claim that you are just learning the ropes, learning the tricks of the trade. That is not acceptable. You have entered into a profession where you are expected to lead, you are expected to know rules, the laws, the various acts of the council. It should have been incumbent upon all elected MDCs to at least read the sixth schedule, read the various enactments, laws, rules, and I'm surprised that an ordinary situation would reach the High Court, and the High Court would say that why are you enforcing or issuing orders which do not have the test of the legal framework. So this is surprising to me.
So are you referring to the court order regarding the recent termination of the services of certain employees?
That is one. Two is setting up of a toll gate on the national highway. Once you have a toll road, it's very obvious that the road was constructed and funded by the NHAI, which would then recover its investment by having the toll gates. Now, which authority on earth would allow another agency to also collect revenue and toll from a road on which it had invested and which I believe is yet to recover its investment? So these are fundamental issues. It doesn't require, a lot of experience. It's just plain common sense. You see, there are certain things for which I really don't think I need to comment because it would be dignifying such a behavior. Yeah. I think it's utterly devoid of logic, and at least let them read the rule book of the council.
But voting before tabling a budget has never happened in
No,
the
it has never
history
happened.
of
But
the assembly or
see, you guys are in the media. Why don't you write about all these absurd, scenes? Talk of inexperience. The president of the VPP has been in the state assembly, was the president of the HSPDP, was forefront leader of UDP. So how do you talk of inexperience?
Papa.
Executive Committee, President.
See, they are supposed to have some experience in public life, no? You don't pick up people from dhabas and roadside and dump them in the council. That's not done. It's an insult to the electorate.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello, Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live stream and dreams. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.